Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the world of Android customization, and I'm going to show you a fantastic way to enhance your phone's user experience. We'll be installing the AOSP Dialer on any rooted Android 13 and above phone. This is a great way to get that clean, stock Android dialer experience, something many of you have requested. Some dialers are cluttered, some are slow, and some just don't fit the aesthetic we're going for. The AOSP Dialer, on the other hand, is known for its simplicity, speed, and clean design. To get this set up, you'll need two files, both conveniently linked in the description below. One is a Magisk module in a zip file. This is what does the heavy lifting, and the other is the Dialer app. It's crucial to follow these steps in order, so pay close attention. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a few options. We need to navigate to the Modules section located right here. Tap on it. In the Modules section, you'll see a plus button at the bottom. This is our key to installing the module. Tap the plus button to install a module from your device's storage. This will open your device's file manager. Now, carefully navigate to the folder where you downloaded the Magisk module zip file. It's important to select the correct file, so double-check the name. Once you've found it, select it. Magisk will now begin the installation process. Once the module is successfully installed, reboot your device. Now locate the downloaded Dialer APK file and install it and set it as your default Dialer. Perfect, you've successfully installed and set up the AOSP Dialer. Let's take a quick look. Here's the dial pad, here are your contacts, and here's the recent calls log. Notice how clean and intuitive everything is. That's it. I hope this extended tutorial was helpful. If you encounter any problems or have any questions, please leave a comment below. I try my best to respond to everyone. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to the channel for more Android customization tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.